why this day is important. Yes, ma'am, we know today is Independence Day. Today we got independence from British rule. Can you say something about our freedom fighters?
Yes, ma'am. We will represent few freedom fighters.
We celebrate the 78th Independence Day of India. As we stand here free and proud, let us remember the sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters who fought for this freedom. Let us go back in time. Let us go back in time and witness a glimpse of their struggle. Here, we see the great Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, who led the country with his principle of non-violence and truth.
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. We fought not with weapons but with truth and non-violence. Our struggle was long, but our spirit was unbreakable.
And there's Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, who dreamed of a modern and free India.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. We dreamt of a nation where knowledge is free and every citizen live with dignity.
Bhagat Singh, a young revolutionary who sacrificed his life for our freedom.
They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they will not able to crush my spirit. Our love for freedom was stronger than our fear of death.
Rani Lakshmi Bai, the warrior queen who fought bravely against the British.
I fought not just for my kingdom, but for the honor and freedom of my people.
And Subhash Chandra Bose, a leader who inspired many to take up arms for freedom.
Give me blood, and I shall give you freedom. Our fight was for the soul of India, for the liberty of our motherland.
Today, we live in a free India, thanks to their sacrifice. But freedom is not just a word, it is a responsibility. Let us see how we as modern Indians can honor this freedom.
Student freedom fighters. So, let me know what are your thoughts for present India. We are the future of this nation. We are the future of this nation. The freedom we enjoy today comes with the responsibility to uphold our values forefathers fought for. As Gandhi said, the future depends on what we do in the present. We must work hard in our studies, be responsible citizens, and contribute to the growth of our country. Let's not forget our rich culture and heritage. It's our duty to preserve it and pass it on to future generations. And most importantly, let's always stand for justice and equality. Our freedom fighters dreamt of an India where everyone is treated equally. Torchbearers of legacy of freedom, be pledged to make our nation proud and uphold the value of unity, peace and progress.
The journey of freedom continues as we celebrate this day. Let us remember the sacrifices made, the battles fought and the dreams envisioned. Let us all pledge to build a better, stronger and more prosperous India.
एक मिनट
Jai